A large number of political parties across the political spectrum have actually supported the One Nation, One Election initiative. When they interacted with the high-level committee, they gave their inputs in a very succinct manner, with a lot of clarity. Our government believes in creating a consensus on items which affect our democracy, our nation in the long run, and this is a subject, this is a topic which really will strengthen our democracy, will strengthen the center-state relations, will make sure that our country grows at a much faster pace, will remove so many impediments which come in the growth of our country. And we have seen there is a huge emphasis among the youth for having common elections, simultaneous elections, so that the progress of the nation keeps moving on unhindered. And we have seen that kind of support from the youth, from various sections of the society. So over next a few months, we will be creating that consensus, and that's why we have very clearly requested everybody that इसमें डिस्कशन करिए, डिटेल डिस्कशन करिए, डिटेल चर्चा करिए, और जो भी विषय आएंगे उन विषयों को एड्रेस करके आगे बढ़ेंगे. One nation, one election was a thought which was announced well before the general elections of 2024. So anybody who's saying that it because of the election results have actually given us a historic mandate, and that's why we are able to take such historic decisions.